Today we received a customer's iPhone 12 Pro that arrived to us with the back of it all broken, and our customer told us that it actually fell into a swimming pool. The customer pulled out of the swimming pool and they said it kept working for another 4 or 5 hours until the battery completely ran out, and when they attempted to charge the phone, it would no longer charge. Our customer went to an Apple store and were told that they could definitely get a replacement as they had Apple Care, but unfortunately they had no iCloud backup, so they needed to get the data recovered first. The good news is in this particular case, we're able to pull the phone apart, temporarily fix the water damage on the phone, and make a full iTunes backup, as well as recover all the WhatsApp messages, notes and voice recording that this particular customer wanted. We also backed up all the photos and videos and all other data on the phone onto an external USB hard drive. The most important thing to do when there is any kind of liquid spill or water damage on the phone is to get it to a data recovery company first, or a mobile phone repair shop, someplace that can dry it out or clean the logic board professionally. Putting in a box of rice sometimes works if it's just rainwater or plain water, but when there's chemicals involved like chlorine or salt, for example salt water in the ocean or swimming pools, they need specialized chemical treatments like an ultrasonic cleaner or isopropyl alcohol to clean the logic board. If you have any questions or you need data recovery from the phone, please feel free to comment to this video or contact us. Thank you.